tissue. Connective tissue is usually where your blood vessels run through. So you see blood vessels in there. There will also be nerves in there and lymphatic capillaries, all going through the mesentery. Now, continuous from the mesentery is the large intestine. Continuous from the small intestine is the large intestine. And the large intestine, theirs is a lot smaller than ours. I'll show you ours in the pictures. Then leads down, of course, to the rectum. And at the rectum is where you excrete all your waste through the anal canal and through the anus. This is the urinary bladder. We are going to do the respiratory system. This is the spleen. Everyone know what the spleen is for, right? We did the immune system. Very important in the immune system. Embedded within the liver, attached to the liver, is the gallbladder. That green structure. And that green, it's green. Does anybody know why it's green?
Bile.
Because of bile. Very good. And bile is what you need to break down fat. It's called fatty chyme that comes in from the stomach. Now we're going to look at the kidneys. And they are retroperitoneal, which means they migrated behind the peritoneum. So you can see that they're actually behind, but they're embedded in adipose tissue and connective tissue to help keep them in place. This is the kidney. This is, okay, for females, you've got to have to kind of get a little imagination. Female cats are a little bit different. This is their ovary right here. This is their uterine tube. And, of course, it goes into the uterus, which you can't see unless she was pregnant. Then you could see the uterus. This is the urinary bladder, not the uterus. And because it's all encased within this tissue, you can't really see the hilum or the ureter. You can just see a little piece of it, which comes in at an oblique angle to the ureters to the bladder, urinary bladder. Okay? Okay, all of you who were in front, get to the back now. And all of you who were in the back, come to the front. That means